Hello friends, today topic is all about Grafana. So how Grafana works? Let's see. Grafana is an open source platform designed for monitoring and observability. It enables you to query, visualize, alert, comprehend your metrics regardless of the storage location. So friends, it can have multiple data sources. In today's example, we have taken Prometheus as a metric server, and Prometheus also provides utility to collect or to scrape the data from Linux machine, which is called the node exporter. So we will install node exporter to collect matrices. If your application and you want to collect or scrape the logs, so you can using the client libraries, or you can expose as a slash matrix as endpoint, then and provide a target in Prometheus. Grafana is user friendly. It has multiple data sources, configurable dashboard, real-time monitoring, community and support, and visualization. In today's example, we will install Grafana, we will install node exporter, install Prometheus, we will visualize in Grafana. Basically, we need to add a data source, and then we will import a dashboard, and then we will set up alerting based on the metrics 80%, and then we will set up SMTP, and then we will give stress to the server. If it goes above 80%, we will get alerts. Okay friends, these are just bonus slides, so go through this interview questions if you are preparing for interview. Now let's set up Grafana. I already had it before. I just reinstalled it, just cleaned it up, so we can reinstall it. So this is a standard package repository which we need to add. Now let's install Grafana and start service. Grafana is installed, service is coming up, enabled. Let's install node exporter. Sort moving binaries, create a dummy user, create a service, start node exporter service, install Prometheus, don't worry about all these commands. I will share a GitHub link in the description box. And set up directories. Now we have Prometheus installed. We need a configuration file basically. So Prometheus require a configuration file where we provide the global parameters and the job names. So this one is for scraping every 15 seconds, and then the job name Prometheus basically scraps the matrix from its own, so localhost 9090, and we have the second job name, which is node exporter, localhost 9100. If you are running node exporter on any different machine, you have to provide the IP address here. And now let's start Prometheus. In the background, let's open the Grafana URL. So I provide my instance IP and then colon 3000 where this Grafana is loading. Yeah, and now we have to see the connections. If there is your older connection, add new data source, Prometheus, provide the where your Prometheus is running. So in my case it's on localhost 1990, add new data source. Now we need to add a dashboard, adding new dashboard here, new import. We'll provide the default ID for node exporter, load, import. I can see, right, you can see this metrics started collecting. And let's add new alerting. Now we need alerting, alerts, manage new alerts, new alert. We need to provide a query basically here. So I'm giving a PromQL query where I'm saying node CPU seconds total, and if the mode is idle in the span of last 5 minutes and average by instances. So let's change to 1 minute. If it goes above 80%, change to the existing folder name, group name. Let's add a new group, CPU alert. Contact point, we can add new contact point, or we can give the existing one, or let's add a new contact point here. So basically, let's say our DevOps team, provide the email address and then save contact point. So, DevOps team, and save it. Now we need to give a stress onto the server, so we start getting alerts. And before that, we need to set up SMTP. So for SMTP, we have a configuration file, which is etc grafana.ini. So under SMTP, we need here, under this SMTP, we need to provide these SMTP configurations. So basically, you need to provide the SMTP and then your system account and password. If you're running in corporate, if you are using your own Gmail, then you need a Gmail address and your app password. Now let's restart Grafana server. So the SMTP changes will take effect. Now we need to install the stress utility. You can check number of CPUs using ls CPU or nproc command. How many number of CPUs you have? You have one CPU. So provide this command. But before executing these commands, let's check what the current CPU load. So, dashboard, node exporter, CPU. It's already okay. Yeah, refreshing. So it is currently 18.7%. Let's execute this command. And now refresh. Started going up. So I'll pause screen here for a minute when it goes 80% and above, and within a minute we should get an alert. Friends, now the CPU is at 100% and I just got an alert. So what this alert says, one firing instance, A equals 100 is 100% and C equals to 1 CPU. Now my alert name, folder name, and Prometheus server. So let's see if it's at 100%. Now let's stop the utility and see like if we should get a resolve alert. I've just interrupted it by Control C. CPU started coming down. I'll pause for a minute, and when it is resolved, I'll let you know. Okay friends, now the CPU load is very low. see it here. And we also get a resolved alert here. So one resolved alert, and we have again CPU load average, which 1.44, alert name Grafana, folder name Prometheus server. Okay friends, thanks for watching.